Hi, welcome back to English for Adults. Before we go on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to form and use the past continuous tense. To practice using the past continuous tense, please go to the following video. Affirmative. The auxiliary verb is be, which is conjugated in the past tense. I also have a video on the past tense of be. Check it out. The main verb gets an ing at the end, which is called the present participle. How to form the present participle and its many uses can be found in a separate video. Check it out for all the specific spelling rules. In the first and third person singular, the verb be is was. I was swimming. He, she, it was eating. In the second person singular and all the plurals, the verb be is were. You were running. We were watching TV. You were playing. They were sleeping. Be careful, in the past tense, the affirmatives have no contracted forms. Negatives. In the past continuous tense, you don't use do to make it a negative. Just like in the present continuous tense, you can negate be on its own. You either just put not after was or were, or you can contract them. Remember that in official documents, you shouldn't use contractions. I wasn't swimming. He, she, it wasn't eating. You weren't running. We weren't watching TV. You weren't playing. They weren't sleeping. Interrogative. If you ask a question with be, it's always a yes or no question. Was I swimming? Was he, she, it eating? Were you running? Were we watching TV? Were they sleeping? Use. You use the past continuous tense mostly for telling stories that happened in the past. An event happening continuously in the past. I was dancing in the evening. You emphasize that an event was happening for a longer time. I was dancing all night. You are telling a story where you are doing something continuously, but it gets interrupted. What you are doing continuously is in the past continuous tense, but what interrupts it is in the past simple tense. She was running when it started to rain. When two things are happening at the same time, both are in the past continuous tense. She was running and it was raining. While is often used with the past continuous tense. While I was swimming, they played in the sand and sunbathed. I hope you learned from this video. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, please support my work on Patreon.